Alright guys, I am back. Finally have a new studio to be able to record vocals, whatever I want to do. If I want to do a podcast, if I just want to, create audio files on certain different topics, or do interviews, or use it for voiceovers and videos that I do, things like that. But it's nice having the ability to record and actually sound pretty good doing it. I might say this is probably the best sounding I have ever had my studio as far as overall vocal sound. There's a little bit of background noise. That's due to a window unit running about 10 feet away. But considering that, it's not that bad. Now, this is going to be the platform I'll be using to record, podcast if I do so. Right now, I'm running with absolutely no effects, no EQs, no compression, no reverb, nothing. But I can incorporate that live, and I might as well do a little promo for the site. It's called Soundtrap.com. It's actually a music beat maker, but it's also a podcast platform where you don't need to have mixers and all that other kind of stuff to interview guests and have them, both you and the guest, show up on the audio file format. You basically come in and send the person the link and they join in, and it's all recorded to one file. So I like that about this, soundtrap.com. Then you head to the studio section. So just let me know how you think this sounds overall. Am I just hearing the monitor on my headphones sound good, or does it actually sound pretty good to those of you out there that have the ability to listen to sound quality, whether it be with some good headphones or a home studio or digital audio workstation of your own. Peace.